Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the tea? Siya Hlazia.
Guys, let's just unpack on the proceedings on Friday. Although tomorrow we are going to have a live and speaking about this past week. What's a hectic week, guys? Umakhosonke, like he know Dr. Siband, and Dr. Siband is busy exposing himself, which like is actually not even that great. Hey, bo, yes, because Ronnie Siband. Mina eyang mangaza because Ronnie Sibanda, guys, he's a liar of notes, lo muntu. Unamanga ngale ndlela le ungakaze uzibone he create stories. I'm just like, bruh, please, like, why are you like this? And then maqeda lapho and then he's throwing tantrums now. The end of his questions yesterday mase bembuza ukuthi are you actually done now on Friday? Athi no, I'm not done. I want to find out ukuthi izinto lezi uMakhosonke kade zisho kumina. Guys, why didn't you say those things on the day on Thursday? Why do you come now and say uMakhosonke ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi what did he mean? Was he threatening me or not? Umakosonke bra didn't threaten you, and Makosonke didn't even try and come out of this thing and be like, and I thought Makosonke was actually going to fight back and be like, hey, take it however you want to take it, I don't care. But so do you withdraw? Threatening me. I did not threaten you. You just didn't get it. You wanted to understand it how you wanted to understand it. I didn't threaten you. I just so do you withdraw it or go on? Go up like how they always come up with stories and be traumatic, those people. How they turned things around in December. I'll never forget it. Uras I said, are they going to unalive me? Like, who said it, guys? Where, how, when? They even unalived you for 3 years. When's the case? So now, all of a sudden, just pumela pando, papa. Like, are you serious right now? Hi, guys, those people that made drama. Ukininda made drama in that court. He had control though. No, it's just like I'm done. It's mina no mokhane kuthiwa sizobulawa laba bantu who was sitting at the back there for Gwabini. Gwabini's friends, they actually nkabilizers. I must check them now. So Rasa, they must be arrested. God, so you guys like Johnny. Arrested for what? They didn't do anything, those people. No Makosonke Urasa said it about a week ago. Was Makosonke fanala bosh. God's sake has been up done. And Makosonke vele, I've always asked myself who's ngempela waphunyuka kanjani la ngoba Makosonke naye fanele about 6 or 7 there. All of them in the dock. As picking in. How can in the guys is done it? It's done just about anything and everything in Anuzungu. Among Razungu, they came out again with the Ramasipil. About the bank statement. Atuma Kosonke, listen, Ginasumina Peli bank statement I paid using my Capitec. That's why I paid using my debit card. Cause the overland liquor store. And they busy taking me back to 2014 every time. I wasn't there. I'm getting nowhere lap. Goba kuthiwa Basotho hostel sahamba sayothenga kuthiwa guys uZungu must just calm down. UConstable Zungu wayeyifuna le mali and vele sowakhokhelwa le mali. Oh, and there's a chance which is being paid every day like other people who are sitting there like yena uSibanda and this prosecutor Nindamanga Ubaloyi. Tried everything, guys. Makhosonke exposed them, Beno Gwabini, like you've never seen, and they still want to pin them down. Urasa is just like, you know what? I don't care. I'm bringing Gininda back. So what is Gininda gonna say? Who's the Makhosonke Zanga Zapsenga Lobo Dwala 2017 when he has a bank statement, and no one asked about that bank statement. Got to look at what to do. After Uramasipilo was like, do you have that proof for me? What's your now proof? We can get the proof in any case, guys. The fact that yena self uSibanda uhlezi funda ama-phone number that don't exist and bank statements for 5 weeks ago. So siyafuna na uma bank statements kaMakhosonke to prove that uMakhosonke ayikemhlanganisa noZungu. They might have the same surname and be related. Remember, guys, I said at some stage, there's a beef in this Zungu situation. These Zungu families. And then Rwanda families came out also with Babylon accused number 1. Guys, go ningi. People can create stories. I mean, I said very long time ago, Brigadier Kinent must just actually write a book. But he'll never be a lawyer and he'll never practice, that guy. He must just be arrested for defeating the ends of justice. We're actually so tired of getting the my way. And at the time, Dr. Ronnie Sibanda is the one who's busy. I don't want to say provoking, but he was trying to get some things there out of Makosonke. And then when Makosonke lost it and exploded, he is now turning things around. It's just like, no, actually, when? Like, guys, I was full of sense and call people names. But something you say, we narcissist. I was just like, narcissist. It's like any sociopath, the psychopath. It's a bit much. Like, okay, guys. He's now turning things around. And exactly how you see Urata turning things around in December. And guys, go to Urata, that's a plenty. No, guys, please, even if you do unalive me, I want to be pretty for my wife. I want my casket to go. When my wife sees my casket, give me more. Guys, who said they were going to unalive you? And look at the every time when we're trying to get a breakthrough in this case, we have a witness in Jengo, Absalom, Kwabini, Zungu, bese soba umakhosi wonke Zungu. People start to throw tantrums like, yeah, when you threatened me, I was just like, bruh, please, just calm down. Like how you were telling Makosonko ukuthi he must calm down. When you went off on you, when, please, don't put words in my mouth. Leave me alone. Now sekuyena futhi ozokutreatnisha seku after school ngizokuthola phandle after court, like, please. Kusasa ke guys, asihlangane at 8 p.m. to dissect this some more. La manga ebesiwahlalele this whole past week sidlala uDr. Sibanda esigulela, literally. You know, we'll still get dissect it tomorrow. I'll try and do I'll try and actually schedule it for like schedule it today so that you can be able to get a notification and come tomorrow. Guys, views we gotta be sitting in the court spending I don't know how much over our tax money for which people must tell us hogwash and nonsense. How Urasa tried so hard to describe nonsense. It's nonsense. It's something that doesn't make sense. Hey, people were like, not even people. I'm sure. They're just like, hey, was sick. It's nothing like that. Why are you like intimidating a witness and be telling them those things and being disrespectful? And then you turn around foot and say, no, actually, foot lay witness and you busy young delela young threatening guys. Police, we are tired of those stories. So what's this kid gonna come and say? That's gonna change everything that Makosonke and Kwabini and Zugu said. Okay, guys, it needs to come to an end and it needs to stop. Actually, we are so exhausted. Oh my gosh.
Emanated from the evidence yesterday.
The evidence
of yesterday, my lord.
Yeah, fine. Okay, let's see. Clarifying question.
Good morning, Mr. Zungu.
Yes.
I would like you to just clarify further on this piece of evidence that you tendered yesterday, and then I tried to paraphrase as much as possible. It shouldn't get to a point where I am being suppressed. I have to fight for my life. This case does not end here. Your line of work shouldn't put you in a position to see me being a lower rank than you. You must be considerate to me as well. Yes.
Ngicela nje ukuthi ke umchazele lana bekubufakazi bakho zokuba izolo ke uthi ngizamile ke ukuthi ngibhale ke ukuthi akufanele kufike la khona ke engicindezelwayo mina kufanele ngilwele impilo yami icala leli alipheleli khona lana umsebenzi wakho akufanele ukubeke endaweni la khona mina-ke ngicindezelekayo khona noma ungicindezelayo kufanele ungicabangele nami.
Lapho-ke bengithi mhlawumbe imisebenzisi ngizama uku-advise hhayi ukuthi mhlawumbe bengiqonde mhlawumbe ukusabisa epointini lokuthi lwakupheleli la ecourt nangaphandle bakhona ababukayo lento eyenzakala ecourt kusasa bangadiscredit umsebenzi wakho as umuntu omele istate ngokuthi wena ufuna ukungifaka amagama.
What I was doing there, I was trying to advise, but not to threaten you that the matter does not only end here. Outside, there are people that are watching outside as well. So those people should not discredit your work in that you are putting words in my mouth.
Thank you. But do you then realize that the manner in which you put it might come out as a threat as well? Another explanation.
Ingaba kodwa-ke lokho kona kukufikele emqondweni yini ukuthi-ke uma ungayihumusha ngolunye uhlobo noma ngenye indlela ukuthi ingazwakala ngokungathi ukusabisa futhi?
Angikwazi ngikubona ukusabisa ama-advise mangiveza i-advise yami ngibone ngendlela ngibona ngisetshenziswa ngayo.
I do not see it as a threat when I'm offering an advice in a manner in how it is being done or things are done.
Would you rather want to reconsider that statement or put it in another way?
Ingabe ungacabanga yini okanye uzama ukuthi-ke usicabangisise yini leso statement noma usibeke ngendlela ehlukile?
Mhlawumbe kanjani nje mhlawumbe ukuthi
Maybe how? Sorry. In which manner?
You said to me that I may have perceived it as a threat, but it was an advice to me. So I am saying to you, to avoid the double meaning of what you said to me, do you want to reconsider it and put it differently?
Okay.
Or withdraw it?
Okay, I withdraw it.
Ngiyakhoqisa-ke lokhu engikushilo.
Thank you. No further questions, my lord.
Yeah, okay, thanks.